inside of our biography page. Now that could be an image of you if you found a way to get it, maybe from Facebook or some social media account. But if not, and you've got some kind of image there, something you found on Google, something you got off of the Roanoke Salem website, you've got that. You have your name, you have your birthday, you have other things, and you have a paragraph of text. Okay? Well, you've got the image in place. Let's talk about making your name and text different colors. So in this text, we are now in H1, and I want this H1 to be red. Wait a second. If I just put the word red in there, it doesn't do anything. So why is that not working? You are going to want to make the text have a style. This is where we start talking about cascading style sheets and CSS styling. All right? So CSS styling, we're going to start with the word style. Again, equals. And then I want to change the color of my text to red. Color equals red. Nope, not going to work. So it's not the equal sign. We need a colon, the two dots, and then we have to end it with a semicolon. All right, let's see if that worked. Check it out. Pete Good is red. All right. You could do the same thing if you know the correct, what's called a hexadecimal code. I know red is FF0000. 6 pairs of numbers or letters starting with double F and 4 zeros, and you'll get the exact same red. Okay. If I want it to be yellow, I'm going to do FF 4 F's and 2 zeros, and it'll turn it yellow. Okay. So you could experiment with that. Understand that you have numbers 0 through 9. So 0 through 9. And then you have the letters A through F. Again, that's letters A through F. All right. So what is 09AFAF? It's this kind of turquoise color. And just sit there and pick numbers. You can find color pickers online. All right, let's try it again. Here, I'm going to style my text with style equals. It's going to give me the opening and closing quotes. I'm going to say color, and I could say blue, and it will change that to blue. Or I could say 00CDAF. And let's see what color that looks like. Looks like a... Okay, well, that one didn't give me much, so I don't notice much difference there. So how about we go 00... Oh, I know why it didn't. I've got to start with the pound sign or the hash or the number sign. Again, 00CDAF. Let's see what that looks like. We got a similar color to the one above it. So let's do CACD. What does that look like? Kind of a pink color. Oh, we forgot to put the zeros in front. Let's see what that does. Still that. We'll go for 0000FF. And we're back to blue. All right, so you could play around with that. So we've colored the text. Remember, style equals, we have our quotes again, but in this time we're going to be putting something in there. We're going to say what we want to change, the quality or the characteristic we're trying to change, and some of these are different. They're not always the exact same. We want to make it a color. All right. Now let me show you one more. If instead of color, if I said background color, now we've got a background color over our text. What happens if I do a background color and then I go color is all white. All white is all Fs. Notice here we've got white text on a background. All right, so you can do background hyphen color, and then you can do color. Again, we'll do that same thing. Notice what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, I'm going to paste, and I'm going to change it to, let's see here, 67 FC0F. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, bright green. So with that said, you now know how to do a background color inside of your style, and you know how to do a color. Color affects the text. Background color affects the color of the background area. All right? Now you guys give that a try. Tell me how that works.